Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Bemum Kitchen. Today we are making the cinnamon swirl mug cake. Just because this cake made in microwave doesn't mean it can be delicious. They have all the flavors of your favorite cinnamon roll without any of the rolling and waiting. You can even just pop it in the microwave and it's done. So let's get started. First off, let's make the cinnamon butter swirl. In a separate small bowl, melt the butter in a microwave or a double boiler for about 15 seconds. Then stir the sugar and the cinnamon. Mix well. Then for the butter, stir together all dry ingredients in your favorite mug. Flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Then add the melted butter and milk. Stir until the thick butter forms. Drizzle the cinnamon butter swirl over the mug cake batter. Then gently fold them together until they are only about half mixed. Microwave it for about 50 to 60 seconds. Let the mug cake cool for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then while the mug cake is cooling, let's make the icing. Stir together the powdered sugar and milk. Mix until well combined. Drizzle the icing over the mug cake. Enjoy while it's still warm. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. And if you like this video, make sure that you tap that subscribe button. As well, you can follow me on social media at Bemum Kitchen in the link of description below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!